Hi everyone, this sums from the chapter Similar Triangles exercise 8.4 fifth problem. ABD is a triangle. ABD is a triangle, right angle at A and AC perpendicular to BD. Show that AB square equal to BC into BD. AC square equal to BC into DC. AD square equal to BD into CD. This is the problem. Given that ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, AC perpendicular to BD. In a triangle BAC, for our understanding sake, I drawn separate diagrams. No need during the examinations to draw this type of diagrams. For our conceptual understanding sake, I drawn all of this. Only this rough diagram enough in examination. In a triangle BAC and BDA, small triangle and big triangle. Angle BAC is equal to angle BDA. BAC equal to angle BDA. First one. In a triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle CBA is equal to 90 degrees. BAC where BAC plus CBA, both in a triangle ABC. In these two triangles, BAC, angle C 90 degrees, then BAC this angle and CBA this angle. Both are 90 degrees because this 90 degrees right angle, then remaining these two angles are 90 degrees. Next, in a triangle ABD, angle BDA, ABD, big triangle, BDA plus CBA, this acute angle. Remaining this angle 90 degrees, then sum of these two angles are 90 degrees. What is this CA? Complementary angles. C complementary, A angles, complementary angles. From 2 and 3. BAC is equal to BDA. BDA. Both are acute angles. BAC. In this small diagram, this is acute angle, and BDA in big triangle, this angle D is acute angle. Then angle ACB 90 degrees, and DAB big triangle, angle A 90 degrees. Two angles are equal, then automatically third angle also equal. So BAC, this small triangle, BDA, this big triangle, both are similar to each other. If two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding sides are in a proportional or in a same ratio. So BA by BD is equal to BC by BA, comparing small triangle and big triangle. Then cross multiplication, BA into BA square is equal to BC into BD. First one we proved. Now second one. Show that AC square is equal to AC square, this perpendicular side square is equal to BC into DC, product of these two sides. BC into DC. In a triangle ACB, for this one I drawn here two diagrams. Observe here same diagram. where we are concentrating, that part I drawn as bold. ACB, C right angle, DCA down triangle, up triangle. In this both the triangles, AC 90 degrees, this 90 degrees, DCA this also 90 degrees. In two triangles, right angle, right angle. Next, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. A, this acute angle, ADC, this acute angle. These both are at acute angles are equal before we observe. Then with these two conditions, we can confirm that these two triangles are similar to each other. Then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in a proportional. So AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. Then cross multiplication, AC square is equal to BC into DC. Second one also we proved. Now third one. In triangle ADB big triangle and CDA small triangle. Same before how we did in this way. DAB 90 degrees. DCA small triangle. DCA here also 90 degrees. Then BDA acute angle. ADC acute angle same, and in these two triangles angle D is a common angle. If different two angles are equal, then automatically third angle also equal. So by these rules we can confirm that these two triangles are similar to each other. Then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or their corresponding sides are in a proportion. AD by CD is equal to BD by AD. Do the cross multiplication. AD square is equal to BD into CD. I hope you understand the problem. Next, sixth problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means in which triangle two sides are in same length, then that triangle is called isosceles triangle. In this triangle ABC, AC equal to BC. This small hyphen means the length of this side and the length of these sides are same. Given that ABC is an isosceles triangle, ABC is a right angle triangle. One isosceles triangle as well as this is right angle triangle. AC equal to BC. If this is right angle triangle, then as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square as per Pythagoras theorem. Now AB square is equal to AC square plus BC is equal to AC. For these two sides are equal, to solve the problem, BC besides we can write AC. AC square plus AC square 2AC square. That is asked us to find. This one also we proved. Now seventh problem. Observe carefully. O is any point in the interior of triangle. This is a triangle. O is any point, but that point must be interior of the triangle ABC. OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, OF perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square, OB square, OC square, OD square, OA square, OF square, AF square, BD square, C square, like we must need to show these two conditions. Given that O is any point interior of triangle ABC, clear. OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, OF perpendicular to AB. Then join remaining sides. Join OA, join OC, join OD. Next, in triangle AOF, this upside left triangle we taken. AOF. All these are right angle triangles. Angle AFO here at point F, right angle 90 degrees. Then this is hypotenuse, perpendicular side, and this one is base side. Hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. First equation. In the same way, in triangle BOD, first we taken this one, now next this one. In a triangle BOD at a point D, right angle, then OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. This is second equation. In triangle COE, now this time this side triangle COE, I colored here for our understanding sake. Here right angle at E 90 degrees. OEC, this is 90 degrees. Hypotenuse, base side, perpendicular side. OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. 1, 2, 3 equations we found using 3 parts of triangles. Okay. Now adding 1, 2, 3. Left hand side, left hand side, left hand side. Right hand side, right hand side, right hand side. OA square, OB square, OC square. Then remaining all base side square plus perpendicular side square we adding here. Now OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus where we got this all, observe carefully. AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. Just AF, BD, CE we kept this side, remaining all we send left hand side. Now OA square minus OE square we are arranging. OC square minus OD square, OB square minus OF square is equal to remaining this one. Why we arrange this one means AE square. AE square. This is right angle na. AE square is equal to OA square minus OE square. As per Pythagoras theorem. OA minus OE is equal to AE square. Then OC minus OD means CD square. Next OB square minus OF square, this triangle. Besides what we can write, BF square is equal to remaining this one. This is first what they asked to prove, as we proved here. First one. Now here first one we proved. Now next AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square we proved here. First one proved here OA square. Using this second one we proved. Understood? You don't confuse OA square, OB square, OC square left hand side, right hand side. First one we proved. With this OA square minus OE square remaining triangles, this only OA, observe here, OA minus OE, this triangle taken, OA minus OE, then remaining is AE square, that type. This one, this related, this related, this related. I hope you understood. Next, eighth one. A wire attached to vertical pole. This is vertical pole and BC is a wire. Of height 18 meter, pole height 18 meter, length of wire 24 meter long, and has a stake attached to the other end. Other end, there somewhere they attached. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? From this A to C, what is the distance asked us? Height of very easy problem. Height of vertical pole 18, length hypotenuse 24 meter, then base side CA. Using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. In this way, BC square 24 square, 24 into 24 576, 18 18 324. Write AC as a subject. Then 576 minus 324 252. AC is equal to square root of 252. To find the prime factors of 252, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now this 63 is not divisible by 2, so take next prime number 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 7s are 21, next 7 1 is 7. Now arrange as base 2 square, 3 square, remaining is 7, square and root get cancelled. 2 3s are 6 and this root 7 is remaining. Then AC, the base side is equal to 6 into root 7 meters. Next, ninth one. Two poles of heights, one pole, another pole. One pole 6 meter, another pole 11 meter. Stand on a plain ground. These two poles are stood on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, from this first pole bottom to second pole bottom, the distance is 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. Given the distance between the poles of bottom and asked find the distance between top of the poles. This one also very easy. Height of the first pole. What is the height of the first pole? 11 meters. Second pole 6 meters. The distance between two poles 12 meters. See, for this hypotenuse say we just drawn a line to parallel to AC. This DE line and AC lines are parallel to each other and their distance also same. Then this is made a right angle triangle. This is perpendicular side, this is base side, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse BD is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. 12 into 12 144, 5 into 5 25. Their sum 169. Square root of 169 13 meter. Okay, the distance between their tops is equal to 13 meter. Next 10th one. Listen carefully. In an equilateral triangle ABC equilateral triangle. D is a point on side BC. D is one of the point on the side BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. If you divide this BC into three parts, first part is at point D. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Asked to prove this condition. Given that ABC is an equilateral triangle, BD, the length of BD equal to 1/3 of BC. When you divide BC into three parts, one of the part is the length of BD. In triangle ABE, ABE and triangle ACE, AE is perpendicular to BC. Here BE is equal to EC. These both lengths are equal. In a triangle AEB, in triangle AEB, angle AEB here 90 degrees. Angle AEB 90 degrees. Then hypotenuse AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. First equation. In triangle AED, this small triangle, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Second equation. Subtracting second equation, subtracting this small triangle from the whole triangle, then we will get this ABD. Okay. AB square minus AD square, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right hand side how much? BE square plus AE square minus AE square plus DE square. Now BE square plus AE square minus AE square plus DE square. B is, wait one second. In triangle AEB, angle AEB, E 90 degrees, then AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. In a triangle AED, angle E 90 degrees, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Subtracting second equation from first. First one is AB square minus AD square is equal to BE square plus AE square minus AE square plus DE square, right? BE square plus AE square minus AE square minus DE square. This plus AE minus AE get cancelled. Then remaining BE square minus DE square. BE square minus this BE square minus remaining minus DE square. The value of DE, the length of DE, the difference between whole BC minus whole, the length of DE is equal to whole BC minus BD, not here E, BC. The length of DE is equal to whole BC minus BD, BC minus BD. Then wait 1 second, DE, length of DE is equal to BE minus DE, just from here, okay, here E. DE is equal to BE minus BD, right? Then BE minus BD whole square. Here BE means half of this base side, half of this base side. Whole how much? BC, half BC by 2 whole square minus BE besides BC by 2 minus BD. This is BD is 1/3 of BC. So besides of BD 1/3 of BC by 3 whole square. BC by 2, this square for numerator and denominator. BC square by 2 2s are 4 minus 2 3s are 6. Their LCM 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 1 is 2 by 6 is equal to same. BC square by 4 minus the difference 3 minus 2 1 BC square by 6. BC square by 4 minus BC square by 6 6 are 36. 4 and 36 LCM is 36. Write 36. 4 9s are 36. 9 1 is 9 minus 36 36 same. So write BC square. 9 minus 1 8 BC square by 36. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. 2 BC square by 9. Whole left hand side how much? AB square minus AD square is equal to 2 BC square by 9. Send this 9 is equal to that side. 9 AB square minus AD square is equal to 2 BC square. 9 AB square minus 9 AD square is equal to 2 BC square. 9 AB square minus AD besides this 9 AD send is equal to that side. 9 AD square. This 2 BC square send this side. BC is equal to AP. BC is equal to AP because this all is equilateral triangle. Whole these three sides are equal. Besides of BC we can write AB. Besides of BC we can write AB. 2AB square. 9 minus 2 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. Hence we proved what asked in the question. Now next 11th problem. Exercise 8.4 11th problem. In the given figure ABC is a triangle right angle at B. Here right angle D and E are points. BC trisect it. It means that the length of BD, DE and EC is the same. If BD 2 centimeter, this one also 2 centimeter, this one also 2 centimeters. Then prove that 8 AE square is equal to 3 AC square plus 5 AD square. Same what given in the problem, copied there. ABC is a right angle triangle. BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. In a triangle ABD, BD at point B 90 degrees, then AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus the value of BD, total value BC, 3 parts means 1 part the value of BD, 1 by 3 BC whole square. This is first equation. Similarly, in a triangle ABE, here AE is hypotenuse. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Pythagoras theorem. AB square is plus BE is 2/3 part of BC. Total 3 parts. Then BE gives 2 parts. 2/3 BC square. AB square plus 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 into BC square. This is second equation. In triangle ABC, now whole triangle is equal to 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. Now asked to find 8AE square is equal to